Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Today we're doing a very brief video on how to convert your coupe into a dog moving vehicle. So if you have a Camaro ZL1, you have a normal Camaro, you have any kind of coupe, so BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, anything like that, Audi, this is how you do it. So instead of spending all this extra money on seat covers, I went ahead and purchased these bed liners. These are $11.70 a piece. These are full size bed liners. Got these from Walmart. This is the Mainstays brand. Covered each one of the front seats with the bed liners. In the back, let's try this. We have the kind of one of these units from Costco, excuse me, not from Costco, but from Amazon that you can line the back seat with. It's got the hard floor and it's waterproof for the dogs. I've got extra sheets on the sides and even a blanket on the other side. I'll show you on that in a sec. I lined a blanket over the top to cover the speakers. The blanket's $8 from Walmart. The unit that I use to cover the base for the back seat also has this little window, so it allows air conditioning to get to the back. And it's also, I think it was $35. So in total, each one of these front seat covers was 11 bucks. The back seat cover was 30 bucks. And then two of the blankets each were $8 a piece. So for less than 70 bucks, you can convert your coupe into a dog moving vehicle. So again, let me show you the passenger side. So again, we've got the bed liner. These are those blankets I was telling you about. These are $8 a piece, you guys, so it's very inexpensive. They're thick, and it'll protect the side of the interior. And yeah, this is enough. So you don't need to spend a lot of money on covers. And this stuff can either be reused or just tossed in the trash if you don't want to. You know what I mean? If you don't want to reuse it, it just depends on how dirty it gets. But this is how you convert your coupe into something that you can take your dogs to the lake or take them to the beach, take them to the mountains, do whatever. The bottom line is, you guys, if you get rid of a car like this, especially something as special as this, you're gonna regret it, I think, in the future. And the bottom line is you're gonna end up trading it in for what? For an SUV, a brand new one, or a used one that you're just basically gonna fuck it up with the dogs anyways. You're gonna get hair in it, you're gonna get dirt in it. Regardless of what you move the car or the dogs in, you're gonna do some, I don't call it damage, but you're gonna dirty it. So you might as well just protect whatever it is you're using to drive, drive them around, and that's it. So hope this helps you guys. Catch you guys on the next one.